Hola guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with moi, doggy lover. Alright, now you guys know how Father's Day is coming up. We're going to be making some Father's Day gifts. Probably just one. But real quick, I'm going to show you a few that I've made. Some of them I've forgotten how I've made, but you guys can probably see how I made it just by looking at them. But I will be making maybe one, maybe two, I don't know, of these for you guys to see how it's made. Alright guys, first up, I'm going to show you this. Let me move this paper so I can show it guys. Alright, first up we've got this. This is our tuxedo. Our heart in the shape of a tuxedo. And then you can open it right there and then open it. It says to Dad. Alright, that's the first gift that you can make. If I can remember how you make it, I may make this in another YouTube video. Alright guys, now another thing that is like that. Sorry, I'm moving my toe right now. Alright, it's my nail. Alright, another thing like that would be this. This one's pretty cool. I really like it. It's like you can hold someplace and you can pull it out. It says I love you. That's how it opens. Like that. It looks like that when you open it. Sometimes it falls out, but that's no worries. You can just hold it like that and pop it right back in. Sometimes it takes a little longer. There you go. That's another one. Alright. And I think this is the one that we will be making in today's YouTube video. Alright. Does your dads like ties? Or do they like bow ties? I know how to make a tie and a bow tie. I will be showing you that. How to. But this is my tie. It's got my dad's favorite design out of some designs that I made, of course. And yeah, that's another one. That's the one we'll be making today. Sorry about the little shake. Alright, now, as you know, our parents have dads. Our grandparents. So, we want to make two of some things. This is the one for my grandpa. It's supposed to be metal, but I don't know how to cut. My dad's the only person who knows how to cut cardboard, so I couldn't cut it. But this is my metal. It's got Happy Father's Day on the front, and then on the back it's, this is my grandpa's. And it's got blue on the back. That's our first thing, and then this one's for my dad. It says Happy Father's Day, and it's all gold on the back. I ran out of gold paint. That's another one. Dropped it. And of course it was the one for my dad that I dropped. Now, we've got this big paper one. A lot of dads like ties. So, I made a Happy Father's Day with ties and hearts all over it. We can make this if we've got time in this video, or we can do it next video. And then, our last thing that I've made is this number one dad. Hashtag number one dad for a trophy. Alright, we will be making the tie and bow tie. I'll show you how to make both of those things. I'm not very good at tying knots, so I tie tape. Alright guys, so this is what we're going to be making. I'm going to have to make this and a bow tie. Alright, that's what we're going to be making. Alright, first up, let me see if I've still got it. if you guys can make some patterns, you guys can show your father those patterns. And without giving it away, you can show them without giving it away. You can just draw them on a piece of paper and show them. And tell them, pick your favorite out of all of these patterns. And pick a favorite. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Woo! Alright. I'm going to move that aside for now. Alright, we got to get our paper. I'm going to use red again. For me, you guys pick your dad's favorite color. Or just pick white and then color it. Do that. Can you guys see? Can you guys see that line? Draw that. It's got a little curve. And then next, we are going to draw that. And then that. Like that. You guys can make your tile a little bigger. I'm going to leave mine this tiny. Let's fix that so it doesn't look so empty. Alright, now I'm going to draw my little circle at the top for where my hole's going to be. Alright guys, if you guys have some sort of material like string or yarn, that'll do. Alright, I'm going to grab my string if I still have some. Cut it out. I'm not going to cut mine out. But to cut your little hole, you're going to want to do is fold it right on your line. Alright? And what you're going to want to do is trim a tiny hole. Alright, you can just leave it so it's non-noticeable, and then you're going to stick your tape. You're going to stick your string right through that little hole. And you're perfect. You've got it. You're perfect. You've got what you want. Alright. Then you put tape on it. Or something. Alright. Now what we're going to do is do our bow tie. I'm going to do an orange bow tie because this is my dad's actual favorite color and I haven't drawn him a bow tie yet. Alright guys, bow ties are pretty darn easy. Alright. So let's draw this part. And we're going to want to draw that. And then we're going to want to draw that. This one wasn't a... Here, I'm going to redo that one. Alright guys, don't do that yet. Alright. Draw your little hole. Draw it up like that. Draw it down like that. And draw your line down. How does that look? Does that look better than my last one? I think it looks worse. You're gonna want that side. Alright, let's try this again one more time. Hole. Draw down. That one looks good. Can you see it? Like that. And then alright guys, how does my bow tie look? That's my bow tie. We're gonna go with that one. I'm gonna cut this one out because since it's for my dad. Hi guys. I don't know if you can see me quite yet. Can you guys see me? Hi guys. Alright, you ready? Whew, let's go. Let's cut this. That is our bow tie. You wanna do the same that you did for the last thing. Fold it in half. Cut it. Alright. Grab your string, put it right through there, and tape it. I guess that about wraps up this video for today. Watch my next video, and you'll see another one of these. Oh wait, my next video is reacting. Bye guys.